Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? This is live price prediction of Dogecoin, my brother. And today in this video, I have something very special information and update for all Dogecoin holders because I research personally, especially today all day, my brother, for my viewers, my subscriber, to what's going on. Can this coin is moving upward? Can there is a chance to the coin will up or not, my brother? So let's get start this brand video. Kindly, if you are new my channel, kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this step information video now. Alright, my brother, in previous video the price will starting very badly falls down, so therefore all holders are very shocked to what's wrong, my brothers, to the coin where fails down. But one thing, my brothers, to the market is not comfortable in those days, so therefore the coins were fails down, especially Dogecoin in the start of month. Every start of month, every coin will fails down. So therefore, our technical analysis, our price prediction, our experts specially said that to the coin will fails down when a holders are starting selling. So therefore, at the end of month, every holder are starting selling, and here as you can see here, the resistance line has come out here now. So there is a mega triangle now. So my brother, this triangle is completely gonna show you to the coin price will fails down for a short time. Definitely after this fails, absolutely they will take a jump. So therefore here is two different triangles now, as you can see here. And the first triangle, as you can see here, this one is the first triangle. So this is clearly told you, my brothers, to if they will moving in this style, so definitely they will give you a profit. But if they were fails down like that, so definitely for a short time they were fails down, so they cannot give you a profit. Definitely after the mid of month, every coin will starting moving upward. So therefore I am 100% sure to they will moving upward now. And definitely when a coin will starting moving in upward direction, so that's clear. So this all credit goes to the holders to when they are starting holding now. So kindly holder, if you also want to get a profit, now you need to subscribe this channel. Absolutely, this channel will give you update guidance every day, every time, and I hope you will be earn more and more money from crypto now. So thanks for watching, Dogecoin holder. I hope you will understand to in upcoming time the price, especially in the after the mid of month, the price will increasing. You will need to wait for the end of month. My opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share your opinion in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.